Today I'm doing something that I'm generally curious about. I'm taking the DJI Neo 2 to a forest obstacle course. I'm starting to fly in mode C, in M mode, and then I switch to sport mode. My expectation, I will probably survive C and M, but I will probably fail in sport mode. So let's find out. First I wanted to see how close I could fly around the obstacles, but I quickly realized it's harder than it looks. So I decided to play it safe and start with an easier route. First I'm starting the course in C mode. It tops out at 7.2 kilometers per hour and my son can easily keep up with it. And in this mode automatic obstacle avoidance is turned on, so this should be the safest run. For the second run I'm switching to the M mode. Here I reach a top speed of 11.2 kilometers per hour and I suspect it won't go much faster because obstacle detection is still enabled. But this run already feels a lot quicker. And once again I'm getting help from the drone's automatic corrections. And then on the S mode, here I reach a top speed of 12.2 kilometers per hour. And at this point I have no assistance at all, no obstacle avoidance, no automatic correction, and then what I expect happens. I was flying a little bit too low and the drone goes straight into the ground. After inspecting the drone, it's a bit shaken up and I have to power it off and on again. But luckily everything still works. After that I try it one more time and this time I hit 14.4 kilometers per hour and it goes flawlessly, helped by giving myself a little bit more height this time. So, that was quite interesting. My first time flying without any protection and of course I crashed. The drone survived, nothing happened with it. It was in some kind of an error mode, but after resetting and restarting it, all worked again. That was a nice experience. I will now create some extra footage and then I will return home and show you the videos.